Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something special, and that is palabok. The special thing about this is that we will use Mamacita's palabok mix namin. So, I will need many things. I will need this bihun. I will need onion, garlic. Both of them are chopped. Blanch pasayan, blanch what's this? Squid. I have ground pork. I have pounded chicharon. I have chopped celery, green onions, fish sauce, and calamansi. Also, I have here the broth of many things. The broth of pasayan and the broth of this squid. So, let us start. Paano kita ma-start kung kita mantika? Dali lang. We have our mantika. This is olive oil something something. Naman na mantika. Then we have to heat our pan. Once it's heated, we'll add oil. Jutay lang ang oil. Oh. And then we will add in our onion and garlic. Nando, hindi pa siya init. Add in. Ay, doesn't sizzle yet. Hindi pa siya init. Hindi pa siya init. Sige na. Ay. Once the onion becomes transparent, then we will add our ground pork. I think this weighs about 200 grams or sudo-sobra 1/4 kuro. I do not know. Ano ganun niya? I cannot remember. Basta this much only. Okay. Now we will add in our this one. So we have to make sure that this is thoroughly cooked. Once all the pink pigment of the pork becomes light brown, then what we will do is we will add this one, the shrimp, and then this one, the squid. And then we will add in our fish sauce. Itay lang ang fish sauce. Okay. And then we have our broth. We will add in our broth. Damo sabaw. Sige lang. Dason, once this boils, we will add out this one. So, tapos na. Okay, dali lang. Pabukalan ta na. Okay, this is now boiling briskly. So, I will add our chopped celery, chopped celery, and then some green onions. Now, we are ready to put in our Mamacita palabok mix. Okay, I will keep this boiling and thicken the sauce, and then add our chicharon and the noodles. Okay, it has to be smooth. Dali lang. Okay, dali lang. Okay, so our palabok sauce is now thick. Now we will add our chopped chicharon. So we will leave some for garnish. Nagkutulag ko ay mag-chop mayo. Sige lang, garnish a little. Okay, there you have it. Okay. So I will try to assemble. Dali lang kita, I will assemble ha. So we will now garnish our noodles with this sauce. Siguro, we will just reserve some. You know, there are lots of many missing ingredients here. Wala tofu, wala ano ganin ng isang ang smoked fish. Kasi instant eh. Kung ano lang na nga mo niya makita ni Tintin sa amon nga digad-digad din. Okay. Ito damo na ni siguro, no? Okay. Set that aside. Ah, ah. And then we will garnish more of this crushed something. Ano ni gani? Chicharon. Crushed chicharon. And then I have yari ako diri nga gani ni siya pork belly nga gin oven. Ano siya gani Uh, oven no? Okay, para do guwapa. We will enclose this with baboy. Ano? Baboy. This baboy, we made it crunchy. And then, okay. I also have some of this pasayan. Tatlo mo lang kami mo. Ako, si Manang, si Tintin. Whatever is the inside, we have here on the outside. This is boiled squid. Blanch, actually. And then, ano ni, can I put this one, the chicharon here, or kaunon ta na lang ini? No? Tanta si gadigad. May gwardiya. Eee, look at that patty. And then, dira, may gwardiya. And then, lutang ka quick girl. Ay, don't forget to put this one. Diba? Every time we eat the palabok, we eat this first. Okay. 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 Grabe dadang ako nga palabok. Okay, next. This one. The green, green grass, no, green onions. Yan. Tamaan na siguro. And then we have our calamansi. This completes our palabok. Calamansi. Yan. So, dahil nga may kapangimusong pala natin ng mga Okay, so here is our pancit palabok. Yay! Look at this. Isn't this appetizing? Lunamit man niya. So, kaunta everyone. Thank you for watching.